My name is Allison Horner. I'm an R&D engineer at Spirit AeroSystems in Wichita, Kansas. I think in industry there's always a lot of emphasis on getting there as fast as you can and not always taking the time to really understand the behavior, why something might be performing the way it is. And so attending this workshop has really expanded my understanding of some of that basic behavior. So as an engineer at an aerospace company, every single presentation I saw at this workshop has application in the aerospace fields. There certainly are a variety of other industries, but from the wide variety of topics, I think there's room for that in next generation aircraft. So every generation of aircraft has requirements for hotter temperatures, lower fuel consumption, which means lighter weight, and higher quality parts. And the work that the researchers in part of this PIRE organization are doing on polymer-derived ceramics, understanding the fundamental behaviors of the materials now is going to give us the information we need for that next generation of aircraft. You know, I would like to see, as someone from industry, I would like to see more industry participation in this, because I think that there is certainly there is need for science sake, but there's a lot of amazing work going on here that I think isn't being fully publicized, that I think a tighter industry academia collaboration would be really beneficial, because they're doing some great work that I think needs to get out and could get used really effectively. I think this is an excellent program, both for the new and innovative materials that are being developed, but also that it is developing the next generation of workforce. So I haven't brought it up yet, but the fact that the student learning is integral to this program, I think sets it apart and makes it very unique, but very beneficial for the US and also the world to advance in our ability to use pre-ceramic polymers for CMCs.